So we got two lasers in the Makerspace now. They're both basically the same, so they're 80-watt CO2 lasers. This one's just a little bit bigger. So the bed sizes are a little bit different. This one's 24 by 32 inches, and this one is 18 by 20. So a little bit smaller, but they basically do the same thing. You can laser engrave on pretty much any material. You can do granite, glass, wood, plastic, leather, you name it, you can pretty much engrave on it. And then we can actually cut on these as well. So you can cut up to about 1/4 of an inch thick out of wood or plastic. So they're really cool machines, and we're excited to have two of them now. And this is our CNC machine. This is a Shapeoko XXL. It's been pretty popular lately. I know a lot of people have been asking about CNC and what we have, what we use. So the software that we use for this guy, we're actually using two now. We're using VCarve Pro and we're using Carbine Create. So either one of those you can use with this machine. You can cut up to 32 inches by 32 inches on this, and up to about 1.5 to 2 inches thick wood, so it's really nice. And then besides just cutting, you can also do some relief carving on it using the VCarve Pro software. You can literally import like an STL file that you would normally 3D print on one of our printers, but you can load that up in the software and you could CNC carve this out of wood.